Do you know how much time it takes for your website to actually load? Well, one of the reasons you might lack traffic on your website is the speed in which it loads. Google has started to rank their websites based on their mobile load speed. In this video, I'll show you a simple two-step process to make your website load images faster than ever before. My name is Alex, and I've been developing a new way to build websites for wedding photographers. Instead of using builders like WordPress, Wix, or GoDaddy and so on, I've begun to code everything from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And yes, while this may take more time, the trade-offs are faster load times, higher rankings on Google, and in return, more bookings for your clients. The main issue I see right now with wedding photographers' websites is very low load speeds times on mobile and images that load really slow. Now, if you are a wedding photographer and wish to have your images properly optimized for your website, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Now, I'm going to use one of my clients' websites, but if you want me to have a look at your website and give you a full audit for absolutely free, I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, so here's the site. Now we have to wait a bit. As you can see, the site is already optimized and it gets 100% on PageSpeed. This step is for wedding photographers that are just starting out and trying to optimize the images for their websites and want more traffic to their actual website. So this gallery right here is around 326 megabytes. So the first step is to go over to compress.io and add every single image in here and start compressing them. Alright, so after converting every single image, you already see we saved 228 megabytes just for this single step alone. Alright, so you can see we've done all the images, but the thing is, the images that were above 10 megabytes weren't actually converted. So what I suggest is just open up Photoshop. That's what I'll do right now. Or the editor of your choice, maybe using Canva or something else. And I'll just start to drag in the photos into Photoshop. Well, once the photo is here, I'm just going to export it. So as you can see, the photo is only 4 megabytes, so it's way smaller than the original size. And I'll do that for all the photos. Once all the photos are converted, I'll go over to the second step where we convert every image to actual WEBP. So we're going to go over to Cloud Convert. I think you can only do like 10 images. Right, so this gallery, the WebP gallery, is actually only 20 megabytes. So we actually took the full gallery from 326 megabytes to only 20 megabytes in just 2 steps. So these are the beginner's way of actually optimizing images. I know that as a wedding photographer, you want people to see your stories you've told, and honestly, having your photos load fast is a simple and effective way to ensure people actually see them. I really hope this helps you improve your website speed and get more clients. And who knows, maybe one day we'll work together on your website. For that, I'll just leave a link in the description just in case. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Peace and love.